Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us this evening. Now, time now to look at some other news updates from across the country. Pakistan's Foreign Office spokesperson has said that there will be no change in the country's principal position on Kashmir. The Foreign Office official went on to say that Pakistan will continue to seek a solution to the dispute in accordance with UN resolutions that have been passed over the past decades. The statement comes shortly after the Foreign Office spokesperson announced that a meeting between the foreign secretaries of both countries will take place shortly. A pro-government Lashkar has claimed to have killed at least 167 Taliban in the past 2 months. Over 1,000 villagers in Upper Dir have formed the Lashkar to avenge the deaths of those killed by Taliban attacks. Local Lashkar fighters have been cooperating with the Pakistani army to hunt down militants in the region. The Lashkars have more than 3,000 volunteers and they have played a key role in the country's battle against insurgents. And in sporting updates this evening, Pakistan look to be on course for their first victory in the ODI series against Sri Lanka. Batting first, the Green Caps piled on a mammoth total of 321 runs for the home side to chase. Umar Akmal was again the standout performer with a stylishly crafted century. In reply, the Lankan Lions kept losing wickets at regular intervals and at this point are very close to losing their first match of the ODI series. And of course, we're just receiving reports that Pakistan is 175 for 9, very close to winning. And I'm sorry, that's Sri Lanka. And if you're watching Dawn News later on tonight, we'll bring you live updates as we receive them. That's all from us this hour. I'm Razesh Setna. If you have any updates or details that you would like to write to us about, do write to us at NewsEye@DawnNewss.tv. Thanks for watching and have a good weekend.